Hello beauties, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome on my channel Phrontistery. Skincare craze and DIYs are all over the social media, emphasizing the need to take care of your skin more. I'm about to get over with my khadi cucumber and sandal face pack powder, so I needed a backup. I got 3 face pack powders. They are multi-purpose. You can use for hair, body, or even face. The first one I got is the rose petal powder by the company called as ORGANIX Mantra. Everybody is aware of benefits of rose in skincare. Rose petals are known to contain a number of powerful antioxidants which can help protect cells from damage. Rose has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the redness of irritated skin. It's also a natural astringent. A rose water bottle is always a mandatory product in my skincare basket. I love using rose water, so I thought why not try rose petal powder. I very much love using Organics Mantra rose petal powder. It's of good quality. I mean, when you use it, you will enjoy its usage. The fragrance is just like dried rose petals. As such, it doesn't feel chemical. It smells actually quite organic. The powder comes in a sealed double pouch with an outer cardboard box containing all the necessary details. At the back side, there are some recipes mentioned that you can try. For example, it's written that for hair, you can add some coconut milk to this rose petal powder and after gently massaging it on your scalp and hair, leave it for some time. For face, you can add either plain water to make a paste or add honey. How I personally like using this in summers is just adding some freshly squeezed cucumber juice into this powder. And if I'm out of cucumbers at home or don't have much time, I simply add Khadi's cucumber and mint toner to it to make it in a paste form. You can add and try and mix with other bunch of ingredients according to your skin type, preference or season. This rose petal powder will swell a little bit when you will add water or any ingredient to mix in it. You can even use it as a mild scrub. So the quantity of this powder is 200 grams, which will last a long time. However, they've mentioned that once you open this product, the best is to consume it within 6 months. So store it in an airtight container to preserve its freshness. Its MRP is rupees 599, but I got it at discount for rupees 265. I'll provide all links and necessary details in the description box. So that was all in today's video and review. Hope you found my video helpful. Take care and bye-bye.